Leaning against the mighty Lighthouse Mountain in Vung Tau City, an old house awaits a new life. Instead of a wrecking ball, this project embraces a gentler touch. The goal? To transform it into a haven for short-term renters, all while minimizing demolition and construction. This not only keeps costs down but shortens the time it takes to see a return on investment, making it a win-win for everyone. The inspiration for this renovation draws from Vung Tau's soul, its stone beaches. These stretches of coast are a constant buzz of activity, a place where locals and tourists alike find solace and exhilaration in the rhythmic roar of the waves crashing against the rocks. This project aspires to capture that same essence. Gone are the rigid boundaries between indoors and outdoors, between human creation and the natural world. The key to bridging this gap lies in the existing rocks on the site. Far from being cast aside, these very stones will be incorporated into the heart of the house itself. They'll become functional elements, not just decorative afterthoughts. Imagine a seamless flow, where waves of grass cascade down from the mountain, washing over the rocks and into the house itself. This creates a calming vista for guests, a verdant sanctuary after a day of exploring the vibrant city. Ultimately, this project prioritizes respect for nature. It seeks to preserve the inherent beauty of the site, fostering a sustainable and harmonious relationship between humans and the environment. Here, guests won't just be staying in a house, they'll be nestled within the essence of Vung Tau itself.